Thank you for taking the time to watch the following video about the best products of this year. With so many products available, which one is the right model for you? The purpose of this video is to provide you the best choices available today. We have conducted many hours of research and comparisons along with in-depth reviews from homeowners just like you that have purchased these products in the past. We feel that the following video will help you make a more decisive decision. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and I'm here to introduce you to the DuroMax line of generators. A portable generator is the perfect way to get the power you need when and where you need it. From protecting your family during a power outage to taking power on the road camping in your RV. The DuroMax generators are there for you. Built to last, all DuroMax generators feature a rugged frame constructed of heavy-duty steel. The heart of this power plant is the dependable DuroMax overhead valve engine. It's designed to be extremely easy for anyone to start. Just a turn of the key or a quick pull of the Easy Start recoil gets it going. With its 4-gallon fuel capacity, this environmentally minded EPA and CARB-approved unit will run a full 8 to 12 hours on a single tank of gas. The unique exhaust design, coupled with the frame dampening, allows it to run at a comfortable 69 decibels. That's enough to hold a conversation next to it without raising your voice, and it's suitable for campgrounds and public parks. Another added feature is its low oil protection system, which will automatically shut the generator off to protect it from any damage should it run low on oil. The XP4400E's full-featured power panel was designed to offer the perfect balance of power and functionality. It includes two fully protected 120-volt, 20-amp standard household outlets to supply power to all your appliances, including televisions, refrigerators, microwaves, fans, and more. It also features a powerful 30-amp, 120, 240-volt twist lock outlet for instant command of high-powered tools, including saws, air compressors, and a host of other devices, as well as RV power needs. Natural disasters aren't the only use for a portable generator. Taking a portable generator on the road with your RV or camper ensures that you'll have enough electricity to power your AC, television, and other creature comforts in your home away from home. Overloads are never a problem with its dual 15-amp circuit breaker. On a side note, it's a good idea to start your generator for a few minutes, maybe once a month or so, to keep the starter battery charged. One feature exclusive to DuroMax generators is the Power Boost amp doubling switch. It's a high amp RV equipment switch that harnesses the full power of your generator by combining two 120 volt circuits into one powerhouse 120/240 volt outlet to provide you with the added power for challenging loads, such as heavy-duty power tools and equipment, power backup transfer panels, or your RV's demanding power needs. A generator can also provide some necessary creature comforts during a prolonged power outage, including heat, lights, food preservation, and more. During a natural disaster, keeping your family safe is a top priority. With a DuroMax generator, we have you covered. Professionals who are concerned with quality rely on DuroMax for outstanding performance, reliability, and durability. No job site should be without one.
Congratulations! You just bought a WGen 2000 watt inverter generator, and now you need to know how to get her running. The following simple steps will show you how to prepare your generator for its first load. Start by placing the generator on a level surface. Remove the 3 screws holding the side panel in place in order to gain access to the oil fill opening. This panel is on the right hand side of the generator and features an oil fill label to help signify the location of the opening. Slide the panel off to reveal the bright orange oil fill cap in the bottom right hand corner of the generator. Unscrew the oil fill cap in order to gain access to the opening. To avoid tipping the generator, use a funnel to put in 0.35 liters of oil. You'll know the generator has enough once you can see the oil climbing up the threads of the opening. At this point, screw the oil cap back into place and reattach the side panel of the generator. Next step is to add gasoline. Unscrew the top and pour in up to 1 gallon of 87 octane minimum gasoline until the surface of the gas reaches the bottom of the fuel filter. To start the generator, first turn the vacuum release valve on top of the gasoline cap to the on position. Next, make sure all electronics are unplugged from the generator and the economy switch is off. Turn the dial over to the choke position and then give the recoil starter a pull. Once the generator is fired up, switch the dial back to the on position. The output light should be glowing green as a sign that the generator is running properly. Finally, to turn the generator off, simply switch the dial over to the off position. If you still seem to have troubles getting the generator up and running, or if you just have general questions,